Are you getting DNS probe finished error message in your web browser? If yes, then watch this video till then because I am going to give you the best solution. So the first step is to check the website, your URL. Make sure the website address is typed correctly. No extra spaces, no spelling problem, incorrect extension like .com and .net should not be there. So these are the example you can see. Extra spacing means you can see in incorrect. Extra spacing is showing, even wrong spelling is showing here in example, and you can see in incorrect extension you can see .net is showing like this. So make sure to enter the correct extension as well, and always double check the URL before pressing enter. Secondly, you need to restart your Google Chrome. Restarting Chrome can fix temporary glitches, and so make sure to restart it properly, like click on three dot and click on exit and then open Chrome again as shown in the image, and then restart your router as well. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, turn on it again and wait the router light to stabilize and reconnect the Wi-Fi properly. So the next step is to flush DNS cache. For this you need to go to Windows search, you need to type cmd, right click over command prompt, click on run as administrator. Make sure to open command prompt in as an administrator only, because it will give you more right and privileges. So the first command which you need to enter is ipconfig /flushdns and press on enter. So it will successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you need to renew IP address, so you need to press this command ipconfig release. Now type in this command ipconfig release. I will give you this command in the video description as well, so check out the description of this video as well. So the next step is to reset network settings. So here you need to enter network setting command. So the command is netsh winsock reset. Just press on enter. Also enter this command netsh winsock reset, and you need to restart your also enter this command netsh int ip reset. Make sure to restart your PC after following these steps. Now you need to change the DNS server. For this you need open your network settings. So open the settings, and from here you need to scroll down and click on change adapter options. Right click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. I'm using Wi-Fi and most of people use Wi-Fi only. Click on properties, double tap on this version 4. Herein you need to click on this use the following server. Herein preferred DNS you need to enter. So the preferred DNS should be 88.8.10 and alternative DNS should be 88.4.4, and then click on this OK option. After that you need to clear the DNS Chrome cache. For this you need to open Google Chrome. So in Chrome search bar you need to enter this command Chrome net interval DNS. Just press on enter. Click on this clear host cache. After that you need to enter this command Chrome /flag in Chrome bar search bar. You need to click on reset all option at the top, you can see, and click on relaunch. And if nothing works, you can reset the Chrome settings and to the default one. If it does not work, uninstall and reinstall Chrome once again and see whether it works for you or not. And in case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.